Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are always welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share the video and also like it. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this super moist and delicious mango cake. All of the ingredients will be available in the description box below. We are going to start off with 3 ripe mangoes. So we're just going to peel the mangoes and cut them into smaller cubes or pieces. Please make sure your hands are clean because this process can get a little bit messy. Now we are going to blend our mangoes into a puree. If you do not have a blender, you can just use a fork and mash them. So this is how our puree is looking like. We're just going to place it aside so that we can prepare the other ingredients. So in a mixing bowl, we are going to add 2 eggs, two-thirds cups of sugar, either white or brown sugar, it really doesn't matter. And then we are also going to add half a cup of cooking oil, 1/3 cup of milk, and then we are just going to mix everything together very well. We are also going to add around about 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence or vanilla extract. Now we are going to add half of our mango puree. The other half we are going to set it aside because we are going to use that for the glaze. And then we just want to mix everything together very well. After that, we are going to add our flour. Today I'm using self-rising flour, and we will need 1.5 cup of self-rising flour. So just going to add it to our mixture and continue mixing it together. After mixing our cake batter, we are going to place it in a lightly greased baking tray or baking tin, which I have also dusted with some flour, and then we are going to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for plus/minus 35 minutes. While our cake is baking, we are going to go ahead and prepare our glaze. So we're going to put the leftover puree in a pot, and we're going to place it on medium heat. We are also going to add half a cup of sugar, and then we're just going to mix everything together very well. You just keep on mixing until our glaze is nice and thick. Our cake is now out of the oven and it has been cooling down for some minutes. So once it is nice and cool, we are going now to pour our glaze onto the cake. And there we have it, guys. We just made our mango cake. This cake is so delicious, you need to try it out. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to cook, eat and enjoy your food. Bye. See you in the next video.